The Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator offers you the ability to customize your panels to fit your decor. When changing the panels, you'll need the following: a pair of gloves to prevent any hand injuries during installation, a small flathead screwdriver, and a suction cup tool. You'll also need a friend to help out. Now, before getting started, make sure you remove any accessories such as rings or bracelets to prevent damaging your refrigerator. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the pegs on the top of the upper panels. For the freezer, locate the 2 pins at the bottom of both freezer doors. They are approximately 4 inches from the ends of the doors. Be careful when removing the pins and make sure they don't fall underneath the refrigerator. We wouldn't want to lose them. To remove the refrigerator door panels, attach the suction cup to the upper part of the panel and pull firmly to release it, then lift up. To remove the freezer door panels, attach the suction cup to the bottom part of the panel and pull firmly to remove, then lower the panel down. Repeat this process until all panels are removed. When attaching the new panels, first snap the bottom or top of the panel into the bracket. Then press firmly on the edges of the panel with the palm of your hand. Also, make sure the top pegs and bottom pins are secured properly back into place.